Hey guys, hello beautiful mamas. Happy Friday. How are you doing? I hope you're doing amazing. I am doing fine as well. Nubwo nazanyemo utugripe dukeya. But yeah, I hope that it's gonna be alright soon. So welcome back to the Digital Mom. Niburi Mushahano. I am called Josiane and I am the face behind the Digital Mom. So here we talk everything related to motherhood, financial matters for women, building wealth as a woman, and everything in between. So, if you want to make money online but you don't know which skill to learn today, I will simplify everything for you. Niyo ujya wicara ukavuga se ni iki nakwiga nihe skill naba mfite wenda kugira ngo mbashe gukorera amafaranga online, and you feel like yeah, I'm stuck. I want to make everything as easy as possible for you because I value you, because I love you. I love women who are developed. I love I mean, I am a woman for women. Okay, so because not all digital skills are good for beginners, because not everything online can be good for beginners. This is why I'm here, just to let you know which one you can start with for you to be able to make something, to have some income online. So don't not all digital skills are good for busy moms, especially for us who have a 9 to 5 job and want just to stroke those 9 to 5 job with something from online. It's not every skill that could fit in our schedule. This is why I am here today, to help you know which one are good, which one you can be able to manage, which one you can start with. So today I will show you the best digital skills for moms, especially in this 2026. So watch the video till the end, because I may speak a thing on the end that could be a trick for you to start. Watch until the end. Call a mom to call a mom. Let everyone know that something is going on right here. Don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe kugira ngo ujye ubasha kubona every video that I upload 5 videos a week kugira ngo tugumane tubashe gufashanya. Okay, so first and foremost, why skills really matters more than opportunities. Why do you really need a skill, not opportunity? Why am I not here sharing opportunities for moms but sharing skills? I am here sharing for skills because if you don't have a skill, even though your opportunity should knock your door, I'm telling you the truth that you're not going to use anything with that opportunity, because you don't know what to do with it. You don't have a skill to to grab that opportunity. So many moms look for online jobs hiring now. You can go in the search tab of many moms and then you find online job hiring right now, quick online income, easy money. But mama, I'm telling you the truth. Job come and go, platforms changes, algorithm changes, as the technology changes, algorithm keep changing, but skills stay with you. This is why I'm here to share you skills, because no matter how the technology will develop, no matter how the algorithm is going to change, that skill, you will still be with your skill, and then you can still merge your skill to the technology, to the version that is on market. So skills stay with you. This is why I'm here and want you encouraging everyone to study a skill, to have at least one skill. Nukuri in 2026, in this era, every mom should have a skill. Ntago byumvikana ukuntu wicaye, you're just there with your academic things, ntabwo ushaka gushyiraho indi skill. Hari skills utize ku ishuri, my dear. There are many skills utigeze ukonsuminga in your physics study, in your chemistry study, in your computer science studies. A lot of skills are there that you didn't consume at school. This is why I'm here to encourage you to grab those skills. They are online, they are just there. You can go grab them and then start to monetize them. I know that you might have a good paying 9 to 5 job, but having a supplement, it's not bad for everyone. So if you have a digital skill, you are never stuck. I'm going to tell you the truth that if you have a skill, you're never going to be stuck, because no matter how the technology is bringing on the table, you will be able to compromise with it. Sibyo? So online money, it follows skills, not currency. Okay, so let me start with skill number one. Skill number one, it is content creation. I know that igiye kumbaza content creation se gute mama, niba uri kundeba hano ukoresha YouTube. I know that we mamas, we have this kind of behavior of scrolling on TikTok. You use TikTok, you use Instagram, you use Facebook. I'm telling you, those platforms, they are not only to entertain you, not only to give you information, but they can be also that tool for you to make some money, some extra income. Why is it good for you as a mom? Content creation, it is good for you as a mom because you can start with just a phone. You know what? Only a phone, your ufite, as long as it's a smartphone, it has camera, it has keyboard. Shano with the camera, if you keyboard, you can still type like content and then make money. So content creation, it is a first skill to go for. Number two, you can share your experience. We have a lot of experience. You can share your motherhood journey. You can share your postpartum journey. You can share how you manage things, how you manage your kids, how you do improve yourself as a woman. You can build a long-term income. I'm telling you, you don't need to be perfect. Icyo ukeneye ni ugukora mu mutwe perfection, kubera ko narabikubwiye, on this land perfection does not work. What works is consistency. You don't need to be perfect. You need to only be consistent with what you are giving us online. Okay. Skill ya kabiri that I want you to think about ni skill yitwa virtual assistant. Iyi skill ndayikunda cyane because you work at your own will. As long as you are assisting someone, birakorohera pe. What you do here, you can start by replying to emails, by scheduling posts z'abantu, ukavuga okay, this person has a busy schedule that he or she cannot manage to do post on his or her social media platforms, and you can help that person by posting on their behalf. Okay? So replying to emails, it's good to start with. Kubera ko email replying, email things, it is basic for everyone. I mean almost everyone who use internet has a email. No, if you are an educated mom, my dear, replying to emails, it is a good go for you. Number two, scheduling posts, it is also a good go. You can schedule posts, you can organize travels, you can wafasha kubukinga travels z'abantu nk'abantu bageze mu zabukuru from those western world. Most of them, they need assistance when they come to Africa. You can help them by scheduling and booking for them hotels and good places to visit. Organizing tasks also is a good to go when you're a virtual assistant. I mean, this is a perfect for organized mom. If you are a mom and you are organized, you believe in yourself that organization is your thing, please think of virtual assistantship. Try to be a virtual assistant, okay? So this is perfect for an organized mom, and you can learn just simple tools. No ikintu cyiza cyo kuba virtual assistant. Nukuri nta I mean, no big-headed tool iba muri virtual assistants. If you just have to learn Google tools. Google tools harimo Google Calendar, Google Form, Google Sheet, Google Spreadsheet, Microsoft PowerPoint, just Google tools. Okay? And then you learn Canva. Canva, you can learn it just from the comfort of your phone. Kuri YouTube, ukiga uburyo wakoresha Canva. Do just some basic designs. Ntakubwiye ngo designing ngo ukoreshe Figma n'izindi applications zikenera codes. Just Canva yagukavaringa ukaba wabasha gushaka umugati as a virtual assistant pe. Ikindi, learn basic communications. Don't wait the time you will be fluent in English or French or Spanish or whatever language. You just learn basic communication skills. As long as you could communicate a message to someone, akabasha kumva icyo umubwiye nawe ukabasha kumva icyo agusubije, you good to go. You are very good to go. Don't wait for the time uzajya ukora the fluency tests mukabona ngo wapasinze ngo you are fluent. No, as long as you have basic communication, you're good to go for virtual assistantship. So, and iyi virtual assistantship, it is high demand globally. It is a child, you're going to be on the global market. Ntabwo ari ibintu uri bukore, ngo ubikore uvuge birarangirira inaha i Kigali se nangwa mu ntara z'igihugu gusa. No, it's on a global market. So start thinking of it, especially if you are an organized mom. Kuko niba utari organized bwo, you first have to organize yourself, put yourself together. Skill number 3 ukwiye kumenya ni digital marketing. Digital marketing, my dear mothers, helping businesses gucuruza product zabo. Like umuntu akaba afite ibintu acuruza, n'urugero acururiza muri shike, you can post a product z'uwo muntu bamugurira kuri WhatsApp, ibyo wapostinze ukabona agakomisiyo. You can get commission fees from posting products, for running ads, advertisements. If you have like good social media account, niba ufite nka Instagram ikurikirwa n'abantu, you can run ads, you can manage social media, and ntabwo ari ikintu kigoye. Start by learning just social media strategies. The course is there, it is free on Coursera. Hari umunsi nzashyiraho hano platforms zose zigisha, especially for free, zitanga free courses, kubera ko I want you mothers to be on point in 2026. So basic copywriting and analytics nibyo bintu ukeneye for you to do social media management, to do digital marketing. Okay, iyo nayo ni skill warebaho muri 2025 ikaba yaguha amafaranga as a beginner. Skill number 5, which is number last but not least, it is freelance writing. Kwandika nk'umufreelance. If you like things of blog posts, social media captions, website content, this is for you. Hari abantu bakunda gukora blog, bakunda gushyiraho ama caption on the posts za social media, those writing skills, this is for you. Think of it, freelance writing. Blog posts, social media captions, website content. I mean, you can work remotely for clients worldwide. You fit this freelance writing skill, nabwo you are on a global market. Ntabwo ari ikintu uri bukorera hano gusa mu Rwanda, ni ikintu ushobora gukora all around the world. So start small but smart. Okay, improve daily. Ntabwo bivuze ngo nyine ngo ube mu type master kugira ngo utangire. You can start small but smart, then you improve daily. So reka nkubwira aga trick of how you could choose the right skill. Y'uburyo ushobora guhitamo skill nyayo kuri wowe. Mbere na mbere, ask yourself these questions. What do you really enjoy? Ubuzima ugomba kwibaza ikintu enjoyinga. Nukwiriye gukora ikintu ukunda, ikintu enjoyinga, umva nta bunebwe ugira, nta nubwo wumva urambiwe. I'm telling you the truth. Wumva nyine kubikora birakorohera. This is why you should first think of what do you enjoy. Number 2, what can you practice daily? Niba ubyenjoyinga se, can you do it every day? Cyangwa ni ibintu nubikora inshuro zirenze imwe uzarambirwa, ubenze ubyibaza. And then what fits in your schedule, because at some points, moms, we are busy. Usanga we have to manage home, we have to manage kids, we have to care for the relationship with our husbands, we have a 9-to-5 job, everything is on us. And urumva akenshi tuba dufite schedule too tight. So think of which skill could fit in my schedule. Don't choose based on hype. Okay, we choosing ugerageje kubyo tuguhypinga mutukubwira you are good writer, you are good, you make very nice posts. Ibyo ngibyo, these are our hypes. But ask yourself from the bottom of your heart, ibi bintu koko urabikunda, ibi bintu wabikora buri munsi, ibi bintu does it fit in your schedule? Don't choose based on hype, choose based on alignment. Choose what aligns with you, what aligns with your lifestyle, not what people hype you for. Okay, then commit for it at least 3 to 6 months. Nukuruza wamaze kubona umusaruro, ndakubwiza ukuri. So dear mom, digital skills, they are new education. Ni dedication. Nkuko wafashe umwanya ukavuga ngo ngiye kwiga software engineering, ngiye kwiga accounting, ngiye kwiga accountability, my dear, digital skill also is a new education. But the good side of it, ntabwo ari kujya kwiga engineering imyaka 4-5. The good side of it, it is something you could take only 3 months, 6 months, ukaba wakize, wakimenye, wanatangira kugikoresha. They create flexibility, they create income, they create confidence, umva. ndabigutuye wowe what you have, start small. I know that you should be scared, but also start scared. It is still okay. You can start scared, but start. The fact is that you have started, okay? Sawa rero, if this video has helped you, like, subscribe and comment, andika muri comments ki uhisemo noneho tuzagenda tuyifatanye turebe ko hari uko twafashanye. So have a nice weekend, have a lovely weekend, have a love weekend. Saturday will be 14th, okay? It will be 14th, Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day in advance. Until next time, with love from the Digital Mom. Bye.